Um, how much do you think it costs to protect forests at a global level?
A lot of money.
Yeah, it costs to reduce the gross tropical deforestation by 50% by 2020. It would cost between 16 to 27 billion dollars.
Nice.
What do you think the biggest driver of deforestation is?
People.
Yes, because agriculture.
Oh.
But yeah,
Okay.
What is deforestation?
I think it's like the cutting down of trees.
Yeah, that's exactly it.
Okay.
What do you think the biggest driver of deforestation is?
I have no idea. I don't know, like for paper or something.
Yeah, that is one of the causes,
Yeah.
but the leading drive of it is for agriculture. So they tear out the trees that are there and then plant new stuff.
Okay.
What do you think the causes of deforestation are?
Of deforestation? Oh, I had this one. Someone asked me this. It was agriculture, something about agriculture.
Yes, the main one's agriculture, and then there's also mining, infrastructure, and unsustainable and illegal logging.
Oh my gosh!
Due to deforestation, how many football fields of trees do you think is lost per minute?
Is it in the billions? I would say the billions.
It's not in billions.
Dang. How many?
36 football fields. Yeah. What are the negative impacts of deforestation?
We lose a lot of our trees.
Alright, what do you think the trees do for us?
We get more oxygen through them, and other animals are able to live in them, inhabit them.
Exactly, yeah. Deforestation is responsible for 20% of all global carbon emissions, and like biodiversity, like habitat loss, flooding, soil degradation, and an increase in the likelihood of natural disasters. How much does it cost to protect the forests at a global level?
Couple billion, probably.
Yeah, it will cost between 16 to 27 billion dollars. What nation is most affected by deforestation?
Deforestation. What does that mean?
Deforestation?
No. Can you ask a question again?
Yeah. What nation is most affected by deforestation?
I feel like one of the jungle countries, like Brazil or something like that.
Brazil is a close second. The first one is Honduras, who has lost 37% of its forest.
That's crazy. I feel bad for the animals.
First question, fire away.
What do you think the causes of deforestation are?
Global warming, obviously, is one of the major causes, and deforestation. As far, you're asking about what's causing deforestation?
Yes.
Well, obviously, the need for lumber and cutting down trees, that's the biggest reason. So it's man-made. So that's caused a big problem. If we could replant the trees to replace the trees we've cut down, that would help.
Yes. What are some negative impacts of deforestation?
I think that probably contributes to the heating of the surface, because now you don't have the sun being deflected from the trees, and therefore it just heats the ground. So I think that would probably create more desert-like features. And what other problems? Well, I mean, what are trees necessary for? I mean, they basically absorb some of the carbon dioxide and bring out oxygen back in the system, so we're losing that.
Thank you very much.
That was it?
Yes. What nation is most affected by deforestation?
All of the nations in South America.
Not all of them, but the most prominent
Brazil.
one is Honduras. It has lost 37% of its forest land.
I was close.
Yes.
Okay.
Brazil was the second.
The second? Okay,
Yes.
good. I got a B.
What is forest degradation?
Forest degradation is when maybe the water supply dries up and there's not as much regrowth.
Close. It's where like a destruction of a specific part of the forest, so it can be like decreased like growth or like tree cover or something like that.
Oh, gosh, I feel good.
Okay.